Stay tuned to the end to see the next question for an upcoming video. What's your favorite Friday the 13th or Jason movie? Part 3. So many good ones. New Blood for the looks. Jason X also for looks and quirkiness. Jason Goes to Hell was I believe the first one I ever saw and I loved it. I love them all honestly. Keep up the awesome work. Mine is Part 2, because it was the first one I saw and believe it or not it was by mistake, because I thought I clicked on 2.5 Men but instead I clicked on Friday the 13th Part 2 and then I fell in love with the series. My personal ranking of the franchise is probably this at the moment. To all the lower ranked entries, in fairness, Part 7 is one of the most badass looking Jasons in the franchise. Part 8 would be better if they didn't call it Takes Manhattan and Jason looks pretty cool here too. In Part 9, well, at least they tried something different. I don't really understand the hate for Part 5 to be honest, it wasn't that bad. I'd honestly say I'd choose to watch this over the original. But I do think the original is a better made movie. Some of these movies I just enjoy watching more than others. Some of them are fun, some of them scary, some of them classic. Mine is Part 7 Friday the 13th The New Blood, because I like how he looks like an undead monster or human and you get to see how you see him still chained to the bottom of Camp Crystal Lake from Part 6. So that's cool to see that, but that is my favorite Jason. Also Part 8 Jason Takes Manhattan. My favorite Friday the 13th movie has to be the 2009 reboot. Because I really love the plot and how they made Jason look. I love Jason's design and his hockey mask and I love the kills. Also I like the idea that Jason has both his sack mask through the beginning of the movie to his hockey mask later on. I love how Jason kidnapped a girl because she looks like Pamela, Jason's mom. And the funniest part of the movie is the scream that one of the victims Trent makes. So funny. And I think they did a great job on making Jason scary again. I love that he runs after his prey. So yeah. My favorite F-13 movie of all time is the 2009 reboot/remake. Part 4 and Part 9. Two different styles, I know, but I think they both represent the artistic differences throughout the franchise. Part 4 is old school, lanky Jason. The blood dripping down the mask shows just how evil cannot be killed so easily. The Part 9 mask is so unique and summarizes all of the damage he's been through and taken. Plus I'm biased because I was young and JGTH was the first movie I remember being theatrically released/advertised on TV. Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Here's the next question for another video. Who's your favorite final girl from the Friday the 13th franchise, and why? Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have an awesome day.